Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm gonna unbox this. This is from the Palace Skateboards.com. This is the mountain shell bucket hat, black color. This is size small medium. So let's go ahead and then get this unboxed. So here is a description, and it is $48 plus $12 shipping, $60 total damage. Are you kidding me? I don't get any stickers. I'm not sure if the Palace forgot again or what is going on, but anyway, I'll deal with them later. So as you can see, mountain shell bucket hat, black, small, medium, and then that is the barcode. So be sure to look for this barcode when you try to purchase this on eBay, Amazon, or whatever app that you buying through. Ooh, you got this rubberized Palace over here. Palace badge. Palace Skateboards. And then on the label, you should have that same description again. And this is 100% polyester hand wash. Made in Vietnam. And on the back, you got this label right here. Palace. So yeah, this one is a pretty nice material, and seems like it's pretty strong and sturdy. And right here on the black material, seems like, not sure what it is, cotton or polyester, almost like a see-through mesh, as you can see. On both sides. Alright, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell for notification. And drop any comments down below. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace